Welcome to my channel. HP printer stuck in queue? Fix printing problems. Step 1. Check the printer status. Make sure your HP printer is turned on and connected to your computer or Wi-Fi network. If the printer is offline, reconnect it before trying to print again. Step 2. Cancel all pending print jobs. Open the print queue on your computer and cancel all documents that are waiting to print. A stuck print job can prevent new documents from printing. Step 3. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer, unplug the power cable for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary printer errors. Step 4. Restart your computer. Restart your computer after clearing the print queue. This refreshes the Print Spooler and removes temporary system issues. Step 5. Check the paper and ink. Make sure there is enough paper in the tray and that the ink or toner cartridges are not empty. Replace any low or empty cartridges if needed. Step 6. Set the HP printer as default. Go to your computer's printer settings and make sure your HP printer is selected as the default printer. This helps send print jobs to the correct device. Step 7. Restart the Print Spooler service. On Windows, open Services, find Print Spooler, and restart it. This service manages print jobs and often fixes documents stuck in the queue. Step 8. Update or reinstall the printer driver. Download the latest HP printer driver for your model and install it. Updating or reinstalling the driver can fix communication and printing issues. Step 9. Check the network connection. If you're using a wireless printer, make sure the printer and your computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A weak or incorrect connection can keep print jobs stuck. Step 10. Print a test page. After completing the steps, print a test page to confirm the problem is fixed. If the queue is still stuck, remove and add the printer again in your computer's printer settings. Thanks for watching.